Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am here with this week's new releases to show you. I've got two new collections. Let's start with this one. It is called Home Sweet Home and it comes in 4 different weekly kits now. Yes, 4. I will talk about that 4th one in a moment, as well as colorful boxes and sticky notes. So let's start with our 7x9 standard vertical kit. All right, so here we have our full boxes. You've got your 9. We've got a double box this time, which I'm super excited about. Here is your washi date covers and quote box. The washi strips now are actually just 4 long strips, so 2 full sets. I don't have it cut off here like I did before because I just think this is more versatile. It's very easy to trim them if you decide you want to do that for the first half of the week. This way though, it would continue on through the sidebar if you want a more uniform look to it. Page C is your solid colored boxes. D gives you your glitter headers, patterned headers, icon scripts, and weekend banner. Page E is your patterned boxes. And then F is all of your extras. So your weekly tracker, habit trackers, appointment labels, scallops, squares, checklists, flags, all the things, and your date dots. I love this color scheme. It is, I just love it. All right, so that is your standard vertical kit. Next up, we have your daily duo version. How pretty are these patterns? These are actually a combination of 2 different art sets because they both had the same sort of colorway, and I just love it all. So there are your date covers. Sheet B is your date dots, checklists, functional labels, and some glitter. Your 3 sets of bottom boxes. Sheet F is your time labels. Labels? I think I've said that at least once in every video in the past month. Labels. And then your top boxes, scripts, and more glitter washi there. Okay, next up is your TPC Nation planner layout or format. So this is your 2-page kit. Again, same patterns, all of the base like essentials on sheet A, and then your functional extras on sheet B. So that would normally round out the 3 weekly kit formats that I offer. However, last weekend I added a 4th one, and I'm really excited about this one. So this is what I'm calling a mini kit. It is 3 pages. It's obviously a lot smaller than the other kits because, I mean, its name is mini. This is meant to be either you really like minimalist functional planning in your standard vertical, which this will absolutely work with. All of the widths are still 1.5 inches. However, it will give you 8 smaller boxes, like deco boxes, and just less overall of all of the elements. So this will fit any number of planners. It'll fit your 7x9, it'll fit your A5s, it'll fit your horizontal mini happy planner, as well as obviously the classic. These washi strips here are sized specifically for the A&N weeks. So if you are familiar with Avalon and Ninth, which I'm sure a lot of you are, she has a week's planner that is gorgeous and so functional and perfect that I have actually been using recently as my catch-all planner, and it's working gloriously. These washi strips here are sized to fit that planner. They're the only thing in the kit that is specifically sized for that planner. So it is very versatile, and you could use this in other planners as well. You could cut it into strips, you could, trim it, whatever you need to do. So this is a new 3-page mini kit, also available a la carte like everything else in my store. But yeah, something else to add to the lineup, which I'm really excited about. Okay, next up in this lineup, we've got colorful boxes. So I have a new full set of colorful boxes in the same colorway as the Home Sweet Home kits. So as always, you've got your 6 sizes. That's Cricket shaking in the background. So 6 sizes there of boxes, all available as individual sheets in physical formats and as a set of 6 in printable formats. And last up, we've got our sticky note boxes. Now, one word about these. These may not be in the store first thing tomorrow with the other new releases. The reason for that is that I did get an intellectual property infringement notice from Etsy about these listings because someone from 3M reported them because I have the term post-it note in my listing title. Totally my fault, totally okay that 3M sent this, and I am happy to rectify it. I have reached out to 3M's intellectual property team because Etsy did give me their contact information. I cannot put the listings back up for the ones that are already in the store or add new ones until I've sorted it out with them. So I have, with 3M, I mean, not with Etsy. So like I said, I have reached out. I'm just waiting to hear back. Hopefully it's just removing the term post-it from the listings and we will be good to go, but I will keep you updated on Instagram in my stories. So make sure to check there. Okay, so that is the Home Sweet Home collection. We've got our standard 7x9 vertical kit, Daily Duo, TPC Nation Planner, mini kit, which will fit your weeks, your B6, your all of things, colorful boxes, and sticky notes. Second collection is called Clouds. Now, you may recognize this artwork because I did already release a Daily Duo kit with it. We're going to talk about that in a second. So first up, we have our standard vertical, same 6 sheets as always. Obviously, much bolder colors than you have in the Home Sweet Home collection, but still really cute nonetheless. So that is our standard vertical. Okay, Daily Duo. This was released a while back when I first released the Daily Duo kit format in my store. I wanted to finish off the collection, create the whole thing with all of the different formats. So what I'm doing is I'm going to treat this as a new release this weekend. So it will be in the new release section and will be 25% off with all of the other new releases. So if you haven't seen this kit, here's what it looks like in Daily Duo format. We've got all of our usual cast of characters here. Oops, timed labels and top boxes. So all of the same components as always. This kit hasn't changed. I've just added to the collection for it. Here is your TPC Nation planner format. So again, your base essentials and your functional extras all here. Here is your mini kit for all of the little planners slash just minimalist regular standard vertical. I got you covered for whatever it is that you need. And then I do have now the set of colorful boxes that goes with this collection. So as always, in your 6 different sizes. And then I've got the sticky notes as well. Same thing applies. These might not be in the store first thing Friday morning. However, they will be up as soon as I have heard back from 3M and adjusted the listings. All right, so there you have it, your 2 collections for this week. If you are watching this video the day that it goes up, which is Thursday the 18th, they will be in the store tomorrow, Friday, March 19th, and they will be 25% off all weekend long on both physical and printable formats. If you have any questions about them, just pop them down below and let me know, or send me a message on Instagram or Etsy. All right, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to check me out over on Instagram and Etsy for all the things at A Pretty Planscape. I'll see you all again soon. Bye, friends.